Hi everyone, I'm Frida and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I made these butterfly filigree enamel earrings. I made several earrings like this before, so I had the shape already designed, I just had to cut it out. I domed it to prevent warping and also to give them a nice shape. I also punched a hole in both. After cleaning, I sifted the clear fuse on the back of the butterflies. I fired them until they looked gold, that means the copper oxides were dissolved in the clear fuse. I pickled them and sifted the front of the earrings with opaque black. After that I fired them. I've chosen opaque black for the color of the butterflies, so I skipped the clear fuse underneath. Here I started to do the wire work. I used filigree fine silver wires to make the body of the butterflies. I like the texture of these filigree wires, especially for the body of the butterfly. Folding these wires is a long process, so until then I would like to share a Chinese proverb with you. The flapping of the wings of the butterfly can be felt on the other side of the world. This theory says that small actions are capable of generating large changes, positive or not. The butterfly is also the symbol of transformation, hope and faith, and also associated with spiritual and personal growth. I used glue to hold the wires in place until I fired them. I used thin silver wires to separate the wings. I fired them off camera until the enamel melted and the silver wires got stuck in it. Originally, I wanted to make black butterflies, but at the last minute I decided to put some white opaque enamel on the wings, and I'm really happy I did it because it elevated the look. I fired them and they were almost done. I decided to make my own ear wires from sterling silver. You can also buy ear wires. I like to make them though because it makes my earrings look more unique. I've also chosen crazy lace agate gemstone beads to add to the ear wires. I really love how they look with the black and white. This is how they turned out. I really love how the silver wires contrasts against the black color of the butterflies. I made these earrings before in several colors, but I think these are my favorites. Let me know how you like it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. My name is the same, Frida Fekete Jewelry. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!